ಓಂ ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಜಯಂ. ಶುಕ್ಲಾಂಬರಧರಂ ವಿಷ್ಣುಂ ಶಶಿವರ್ಣಂ ಚತುರ್ಭುಜಂ ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ವದನಂ ಧ್ಯಾಯೇತ್ ಸರ್ವವಿಘ್ನೋಪಶಾಂತಯೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and welcome back to Amara Bharata channel, where we are studying the Deepakam class 7 Samskrita textbook. In that, the 7th lesson, Ishavasyamidam Sarvam. In this video, we look at the exercises along with an explanation in English language. Question number 1. Adhav pradattanam prashnanam ekapadena uttarani likhanto. Answer the following questions in one word in Samskrita Bhasha. First one, Daitya Rajaha Kaha. Who is the king of the Daityas, the demons? Answer is Hiranyakashipu. Second, Ke Hiranyakashipum Dhyayanti. Who meditate on Hiranyakashipu? Answer is Janaha. People meditate on Hiranyakashipu. Kim devebhyaha nadasyanti. What do people not offer to the gods? That is, answer is yajna bhagadikam. They do not offer the yajna havis, offerings in the homas, to the devas because of fear of Hiranyakashipu. Kasya dalanena apisaha jivati. By the trampling of which does Prahalada survive? Answer is Gajasya. By the trampling of elephant also Prahalada survives. Rakshasaha kutaha Prahaladam patitavantaha. From where did Rakshasas push Prahalada down? Answer is Uttunga Shikharat. From the top of a high mountain. Hiranyakashipoho kasmat varam praptavan. From whom did Hiranyakashipu get a boon? Answer is Brahmadevat. From Chaturmukha Brahma. Harihi kutra asti iti kaha vadati. Where is Hari? Who asked this question? The answer is Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu asked the question, where is Hari, to Prahlada. Now you should note one thing. You should write the answer in the same vibhakti, vachana and linga as what is asked in the question. Kasya, Gajasya, Kutaha, Uttunga Shikharat, Panchami vibhakti, like that for all the questions. Next question. Adhav pradattanam prashnanam purnavakyena uttarani likhantu. Answer the following questions in full sentences in Samskrita Bhasha. Ke bhitaha tishtanti. Who stand frightened? Answer is Suraha, Asuraha, Yaksha Gandharva Kinnaraha Sarve Hiranyakashipoha bhitaha tishtanti. Suras, that is Devas, Asuras, Yakshas, Gandharvas and Kinnaras, all stand in fear of Hiranyakashipu. Prahladaha aharnisham kinkaroti. What does Prahlada do day and night? Prahladaha aharnisham harehe gunaganam eva karoti. Prahlada day and night does gunagana, stotra of Hari only. Prahladam katham samudre kshiptavantaha. How did they throw Prahlada into the sea? Prahladam rajva badhva. Rakshasaha samudra madhye kshiptavantaha. Having bound Prahlada by ropes, the Rakshasas threw him into the sea. Next one. Nrisimha katham bahihi agachati. How does Narasimha come out of the pillar? Nrisimha mahata garjanena stambhat bahihi agachati. By making a mighty roar, Narasimha emerges from the pillar. Hiranyakashipu kena stambham bhangshyami iti vadati. With what did Hiranyakashipu say he would break the pillar? Hiranyakashipu khadgena stambham bhangshyami iti vadati. Hiranyakashipu said he will break the pillar using his sword. Kena khadgena, same vibhakti, vachana, linga. Katham mahata garjanena. Like that. You should match the vibhakti vachanas and lingas. Before we go to the next question, a short introduction to the Tritiya Vibhakti. We all know this Vibhakti table. Devaha Devau Devaha Devam Devau Devan and so on. I have also given you the meanings of the Vibhaktis in English and in Kannada. You can pause and note down these meanings. This is having 3 columns, Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam and Bahuvachanam, and 7 rows plus 1 more row. The 7 rows are Prathama, Dvitiya, Tritiya, Chaturthi up to Saptami, and the last row is Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. In this lesson, the focus is on the Tritiya Vibhakti, which is instrumental case Devena, Devabhyam, Devaihi. Devena means by, with, or through Deva. It's an instrumental case, which means the word is used in the sense of an instrument. The same is shown here also. Devena Devabhyam Devaihi. For a different word, Balaka Shabdaha, Akaranta Pullingaha, Balaka Shabda, we have Balakena, Balakabhyam, Balakaihi. For Akaranta Pullinga Rama Shabdaha, it is in Tritiya Vibhakti, Ramena Ramabhyam, Ramaihi. And in Strilinga, Akaranta Strilingaha, Lata Shabdaha, it is Lataya, Latabhyam, Latabhi. Now the question, these are all in Tritiya Vibhakti only. Question is, Udaharana Anusaram Riktasthanani Purayanto. Fill in the blanks as per the example. Ramayana, Ramabhyam, Ramaihi in Tritiya Vibhakti. Chamasena, Chamasabhyam, Chamasaihi. Chamasa means spoon. Acharyena, Acharyabhyam, Acharyaihi. Asandena, Asandabhyam, Asandaihi. Asanda means chair. Balikaya, Balikabhyam, Balikabhihi. Petika means a box. Petikaya, Petikabhyam, Petikabhihi. Mitrena, friend. Mitrabhyam, Mitraihi. Mitram is a Napumsakalinga pada in Samskrita, meaning a friend. Mitraha is a Pullinga pada in Samskrita, which means the sun god. But in Tritiya Vibhakti, Mitrena, Mitrabhyam, Mitraihi holds good for Pullinga and also for Napumsakalinga. Next, Vastram, cloth. Vastrena, Vastrabhyam, Vastraihi. Before going to next question, some interrogative words. Kaha, ka or who in masculine and feminine. Kim is what in neuter. Kutra is where. Kati, how many. Kada, when. Kutaha, from where. Katham, how. Kimartham, why. Kidrishaha, Kidrishi, Kidrisham, what kind of. What type of in masculine, feminine and neuter. We need to remember these 3 tables, the Kim Shabda tables in Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. In Pullinga it is Kaha Kauke, Kam Kaukan, Kena Kabhyam Kaihi, Kasmai Kabhyam Kebhya, Kasmat Kabhyam Kebhya, Kasya Kayoho Kesham, Kasmin Kayoho Keshu. In Strilinga it is Kake Kaha, Kamke Kaha, Kaya Kabhyam Kabhi, Kasyai Kabhyam Kabhya, Kasyaha Kabhyam Kabhya, Kasyaha Kayoho Kasam, Kasyam Kayoho Kasu. Napumsakalinga it is Kimke Kani, Kimke Kani, and same as in Pullinga, Kena Kabhyam Kaihi. So, if you buy Pullinga, you get Napumsakalinga for free, except for the first 2 rows. Buy Pullinga, get Napumsakalinga free, like that. Now some examples. For solving the questions, you need to match the gender, number and vibhakti of the word with that of the word in the Kim Vibhakti tables. For example, Raja is a Pullinga Shabda, Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam. It becomes Kaha, Rama becomes Ka. Same Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, but in Strilinga. How is this possible? We'll see. In Prathama Vibhakti, Ekavachanam, it is Kaha in Pullinga and it is Ka in Strilinga. Like that, other words, Ramena becomes Kena, Sharadaya, Kaya, Tapovane will become Kasmin, means Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachana in Napumsakalinga. You can also use the word Kutra. How does Kutra come here? Kutra means where. Next, Sarovarasya, very easy. Kasya, Devan, Kan, Dhenunam, Kasam, Nagarat is Kasmat or Kutaha. Kutaha means from where. How did it come? We'll see here. Kutaha is from where. With this kind of background, let us go to the question which is asked. Udaharana anusaram rekhankita padani adhritya prashna nirmanam kurta. Frame questions based on the underlined terms as shown in the example. Hiranyakashipuhu agachati. Very easy. Kaha agachati. Prathama vibhakti ekavachanam in पुल्लिंगम. सुरासुराः सर्वे भीताः भविष्यन्ति. वेरी इजी. के सर्वे भीताः भविष्यन्ति. सुरासुराः becomes के. दैत्यराजः खड्गेन. वेरी इजी. केन. नेक्स्ट अहम प्रह्लादम मारयिष्यामि. प्रह्लादम is a द्वितीया विभक्ति पदा in ekavachanam in pullinga. It will become come. You should not forget the question mark symbol at the end of each sentence. Tata haristu sarvatra. Sarvatra means everywhere. It will become kutra. Very easy. Putrasya. Very easy. Kasya vishaye. Nrisimhaha nijanakaihi. Nijanakaihi is in tritiya vibhakti in bahuvachana. It will become kaihi. Nrisimhaha kaihi hiranyakashipum maritavan. Before going to next question, a little more information about tritiya vibhakti. Tritiya vibhakti is used for instrument of action. Vakye upakaranarthe tritiya vibhakti bhavati. For example, Hiranyakashipuhu khadgena stambham bhanjayati. Hiranyakashipu breaks open the pillar using his sword. So sword is the instrument of action. Balakaha lekhanya likhati. Boy writes using a pen. So pen is the instrument of writing. Pitamaha chashakena kshiram pibati. Grandfather drinks milk using the tumbler. So chashaka is a tumbler. Tumbler is the instrument which the grandfather is using to drink the milk. Now, tritiya is also used as an adverb, a word which qualifies an action, used to describe the manner, state, or nature of an action. For example, Hiranyakashipuhu ashcharyena aha. Hiranyakashipu told with surprise. Aha is the verb and ashcharyena is the word which qualifies this verb, this action. It's an adverb. Nrisimhaha krodhena garjati. Garjati is the verb which means roar. How does Narasimha roar? Krodhena, with anger. So krodhena and ashcharyena and chashakena, lekhanya, khadgena are all in tritiya vibhakti. They have given some more examples here in tritiya vibhakti in pullinga. Balaka shabdah balakena balakabhyam balakaihi. Vrikshena vrikshabhyam vrikshaihi. Shikshakena shikshakabhyam shikshakaihi. Tenatabhyam taihi kenakabhyam kaihi. Now you notice here it is balakena, whereas here it is vrikshena. So nakara has become nakara. This is called as natvam. Now the general rule for natvam is that whenever there are these two syllables in the word r, which is refa, rakara, or shakara, murdhanya shakara, then nakara becomes nakara. Here we have Murdhanya Shakara here. Vrikshena Shikshakena. Whereas these two syllables are not found in the other three words. So that is Natvam. There are other subtleties which we will not go into at this stage. This is enough for now. Now the Strilinga padas also. Chhatra, girl student. Chhatraya, Chhatrabhyam, Chhatrabhi. Shikshikaya, Shikshikabhyam, Shikshikabhi. Gadaya, Gadabhyam, Gadabhi, Tayatabhyam, Tabhi, Kayakabhyam, Kabhi. In Napumsakalinga, Vana, Vanena, Vanabhyam, Vanaihi, Pustakena, Pustakabhyam, Pustakaihi, Phalena, Phalabhyam, Phalaihi, Tenatabhyam, Taihi, Kenakabhyam, Kaihi. Now the question, Adhah Pradatteshu, Riktasthaneshu, Tritiya Vibhaktyantani, Rupani, Likanto. Write the forms ending in Tritiya Vibhakti in the blanks given below. Aham mama khadgena stambham bhangshyami. Padadalana prahladaha gajasya padadalanena api jivati. Narayana sarve janaha नारायणेन अनुगृहीताः. निजनख, this is a बहुवचन pada. निजनखैः तव वक्षस्थलं विदीर्य मारयिष्यामि. शिक्षिका, बालिकाः शिक्षिकया सह चर्चां कुर्वन्ति. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. उदाहरण अनुसारं संयोज्य लिखन्तु. Join the sandhis as in the example. These are all examples of guna sandhi. We'll see later. Rama plus Ishah, Rameshah. Sura plus Ishwarah, Sureshwarah. Naga plus Indrah, Nagendrah. Gaja plus Indrah, Gajendrah. Mata plus Siva, Mateva. These are all examples of guna sandhi. Further, Rama plus iti, Rameti. Para plus upakaraha, Paropakaraha. Mama plus upari, Mamopari. Surya plus udayaha, Suryodayaha. Ramena plus uktam, Ramenoktam. Tasya plus upari, Tasyopari. These are also examples of guna sandhi. A brief recap of what is guna sandhi. This is a form of swara sandhi. We have all the swaras listed here. A, I, o, and so on. Now, the last varna of the first word can be a or a. First varna of second word can be I, o, or r. So, in the first case, the sandhi result is, it will become a. In the second case, o. And third case, ar. We'll see some examples here. Deva plus Indraha, De plus V plus A coming here and E coming here. It will get replaced by A. Devendraha, Devendraha. Next, Maha plus Utsavaha is Mahotsavaha. A plus O getting replaced by O. Next, Ganga plus Udakam, Gangodakam, similar to what we saw above. Gangodakam, similar to Mahotsavaha. Next, Maha plus Rishi, A plus R replaced by Ar. It will become Maharshihi. Now, Tena plus Idam, Tenedam. Now, I am showing you several more examples of guna sandhi. You can please take a screenshot and go through these examples. If you have any doubts regarding the question number 6, which we just solved before going to the guna sandhi introduction, I suggest that you please rewind the video and go back to the answers and compare them with the guna sandhi rules which I just showed you. Now, about what is called as Lrit Lakara, which is future tense. We'll see the conjugation table for the Pat dhatu. Pat means to read. Lrit Lakara is used to indicate future tense, and the conjugation table is a 3x3 table. The first column is Ekavachanam, second is Dvivachanam, and third is Bahuvachanam. First row is Prathama Purushaha, second is Madhyama Purushaha, and third is Uttama Purusha. Patishyati, Patishyataha, Patishyanti, Patishyasi, Patishyatha, Patishyatha, Patishyami, Patishyavaha, Patishyamaha. I have also given you the meanings of each of these in English and in Kannada. You can pause and note down the meanings. Now I compare this with the Lat Lakara table, which you are already familiar with. Pathati becomes Patishyati, Pathataha becomes Patishyataha, Pathanti becomes Patishyanti. Very easy. This is the correlation between Lat Lakara and Lrit Lakara, present tense and future tense. They have also given you the table here in your textbook for the Lrit Lakara for the Pat dhatu, which I just showed you now. As you can compare with the Lat Lakara table, Pathati becoming Patishyati. Now, they have also given some sentences. Balakaha Patham Patishyate. Boy reads a lesson. If you look at all these 9 sentences, the word Patham is common. So I have removed all those Patham words and made them even more simpler. Balakaha Patishyate, Balakau Patishyataha, Balakaha Patishyanti, Tvam Patishyasi, Yuvam Patishyatha, Yuyam Patishyatha, Aham Patishyami, Avam Patishyavaha, Vayam Patishyamaha. Now we go to the question. Udaharana anusaram vakyani वर्तमानकालतः भविष्यत्काले परिवर्तयन्तो. Change the sentences from present tense to future tense as in the example. You remember these two tables for the lat lakara and lrit lakara. These sentences are all in lat lakara. We have to write them in lrit lakara, which is bhavishyat kala. Sa apanam gacchati. Patati becomes patishyati. Like that, gacchati becomes gamishyati. Next, kridati. Rama kridangane kridati. Rama kridangane kridishyati. Balaha phalani khadanti. Patanti becomes patishyanti. Khadanti becomes khadishyanti. Taha yogasanam kurvanti. Kri dhatu is a special form kind of dhatu which becomes taha yogasanam karishyanti in prathama purusha bahuvachanam as shown in this table here. Karishyati, karishyatah, karishyanti, karishyasi, karishyatha, karishyatha, karishyami, karishyavah, karishyamaha. Lrit lakara, future tense for the kri dhatu. Next, patami becomes patishyami. Very easy. Continuing further in the same question, we always need to have these two tables in the corner of our mind. Tvam kasmin vishaye vadasi. Vadasi is like patasi, madhyama purusha, ekavachana, it becomes patishyasi, which is tvam kasmin vishaye vadishyasi. Avam patham likavaha, similar to patavaha, uttama purusha, dvivachana, it becomes patishyavaha. Like that, it becomes avam patham lekhishyavaha. This is also a special kind of dhatu. It is not likhishyavaha, it is lekhishyavaha. Yuyam shalam gachatha. Madhyama purusha, bahuvachana, pathata becoming patishyatha. Still become gamishyatha. Te balike vaidye bhavataha. Bhavataha is like pathataha becoming patishyataha. So this is te balike vaidye bhavishyataha. Then vayam shlokan smaramaha. Smaramaha is like pathamaha becoming patishyamaha. So vayam shlokan smarishyamaha. I hope you understood how we got all the lrit lakara words in this particular question. If you have any doubts, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. Now, there's a very interesting website called as Samsadhani, which is from the University of Hyderabad Sanskrit department, where there is something called as Kriya Rupa Nishpadika, verb form generator. So, if you select this lik dhatu and click on display the forms, it will show you this form lekhishyati, lekhishyatah, lekhishyanti in the lrit lakara table. This is actually designed under the leadership of Professor Dr. Mrs. Amba Kulkarni. I am very thankful to Dr. Mrs. Amba Kulkarni for having given me consent to include information about this here. And I also have a piece of advice for you. Since you are all young students, there is a field called as computational linguistics. This is a Sanskrit computational toolkit. Computational linguistics is a subject which is a blend, a harmonious blend of traditional, which is Samskrita Bhasha, and also modern, which is computer programming, web technologies, Python, algorithms, and so on. So, I would recommend you strongly to consider this as a future career option further on in your life. Next question. Udaharana anusaram riktasthanani purayantu. Fill in the blanks according to the example. Balakah karyam karishyati. Balakau karishyatah. Balakaha karishyanti. We should always have this particular table in the corner of our mind. Here we see saha, tau, te, gamishyati, gamishyatah, gamishyanti. Shalam is as it is. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam, vadishyasi, middle row, vadishyatha, vadishyatha. Shlokam remains as it is. Avam pustakani dasyavaha. This is the third row here, Uttama Purusha. Avam will become aham, avam, vayam, dasyami, dasyavaha, dasyamaha. Pustakani remains as it is. Chhatraha pradarshanim drakshyanti. First row, prathama purusha. So, chhatraha, chhatrau, chhatraha, drakshati, drakshataha, drakshyanti. Pradarshanim remains as it is. Here, aham Bhagavad Gitam shroshyami. The third row, Uttama Purusha, Aham, Avam, Vayam, Shroshyami, Shroshyavah, Shroshyamah. Bhagavad Gita remains as it is. Balike Katham Lekhishyatah. So this is Prathama Purusha row here. Balika, Balike, Balikaha, Lekhishyati, Lekhishyatah, Lekhishyanti. Katham remains as it is. Next, Yuyam Kim Khadishyatha. This is the middle row, Madhyama Purusha. Tvam Yuvam Yuyam Khadishyasi Khadishyatha Khadishyatha. Kim remains as it is. I hope you understood how we wrote all these sentences. Please write to me if you have any questions. Now, at the end of this lesson, they have given a very interesting shloka which is having the names of the 18 Puranas embedded in it. Madvayam Bhadvayanchaiva Bratrayam Vachatuštayam Anapalinga Kuskani Puranani Prachakshate. Madvayam is two starting with Makara, Matsya Puranam and Markandeya Puranam. Bhadvayam starting with Bhakara, Bhagavata Puranam and Bhavishya Puranam. Bratrayam, three starting with Brahma Puranam, Brahmanda Puranam, Brahma Vaivarta Puranam. Four starting with Vakara, Vayu Puranam, Varaha Puranam, Vamana Puranam and Vishnu Puranam. And the others starting like this. Agni Puranam, Na is Narada Puranam, Pa is Padma Puranam, Ling is Linga Puranam, Ga is Garuda Puranam, Ku is Kurma Puranam, and Ska is Skanda Puranam. How beautifully they have formulated a shloka which is containing the names of all the Puranams. That is the wonder, the beauty of Samskrita Bhasha. This brings me to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. YouTube Amara Bharata Shubham Bhoyat Mangalamastu Vande Mataram Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu.